Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about uh, how to reduce colors and how to fill all colors in one single click in Texel. Okay, now see, when you open Texel, all tools are deactivated, you can see, and also color palette also deactivated. Okay, then when we open any image or photograph that is from internet or any scan copy or anything, when we open that image or photograph, all tools are to deactivated. Why? We see that just I am now opening one image. Yeah, see, this is internet file. Just I downloaded it and just open it in Texel. You can see. Okay, this image have multicolors, but in the Texel we have limit of colors because we are making jacquard designs in this Texel software, not the printing designs. This is not suitable for printing. Okay, that's why we reduce. In Photoshop you can use multicolors, millions of colors you can use in Photoshop. By using of layers you can make colors, but in this Texel we don't have any option to make layers. Okay, then why we reduce and in this Texel, this is the reason we have to reduce the colors. So before that, you can see, I just open this internet file. You can see all tools are deactivated. You can see here. Okay, just to new, open, save, these options are on. Other options are deactivated, and also color palette is deactivated. So you cannot edit or you cannot draw anything in this image. So that's why we have to reduce the colors. How many colors are you can reduce? That is important. In this color palette in the Texel, we have the limit of 255 colors. Okay, you can see that here. We have number of colors in the Texel, mostly 255. You can reduce within the 255 colors. This is the end of the color palette. Okay, so this is suitable for editing this much of colors in jacquard designing. Okay, then see how much colors have to reduce any design. How to we decide that? Okay, this is also very important. How to reduce, how many colors have to reduce. See, the image clarity have to be clearly seen. That much of colors you can edit, you can reduce. Okay, because when you are going to draw lines on the same shape or curve, that should be clear. Okay, so if I reduce these colors with 3 colors, you can see what is the difference. Okay, if I reduce these 3 colors, you can see this design is looking very ugly, and the shape also disturbed. Okay, if we reduce this, see this in the palette also just 3 colors are showing. Okay, so just I am closing this. When I close this, I go back with previous one. Okay, this, now I reduce this color. When you are going to reduce the colors, you have to keep in mind that the motif should be clear. When I reduce, that is 30 color, 40 color, 10 color, 20 color, whatever it may be, up to 255 you have. You can also reduce 250 colors also. But in this case, what have to be keep in mind, the image clarity should be like to be edited. Okay, so now I am going to reduce these colors, 50 colors. Okay, just I am reducing this color. This is looking same like previous image. Okay, this should be edited easily. We can edit this design easily. What is the meaning of reducing 50 colors? In this image we have 50 colors. You can see in the color palette we have 50 colors. Whatever the numbers we reduced, that colors have to be shown in this color design. So when you are editing this design, this is the reduce of colors, and this is clear the image. Okay, now we can edit easily on this. And how we fill the all colors, because you can see here more colors, 50 colors, number of colors are there in this motif. But what we need, one weave is equal to one color. This much of colors we cannot apply the weaves. So after outlining the drawing, and we have to edit the we have to fill the color with one click, single click. So that is our main, okay, aim. So when I am going to edit the design, what number of colors should I take? That is after reducing colors, that is mean 50 colors I don't use within the 50 colors, because in this design already I have 50 colors. So I take 51 number color. Okay, I just making one color. Okay, this 51 number color I will edit this motif with drawing tools like curve tool, with Bezier or something. Okay, now just you see, I just now cut the motif in single repeat. Just you can see. Okay, this is single repeat. I just selected and crop this, and now I can select off of this design also. This is mirror design and brick repeat also. I am just taking this mirror X. I am going to apply this for mirror X. For this you can see my previous videos. Now you can see this. Just I am now editing this file, this center motif. Then I will fill the color with single click. How you can click that? You can see. You just I am using now Bezier tool. Just I am drawing this. What I want to show is how to we fill the colors with single click within the 50 colors. Okay, this I am just editing this. Okay, we have to adjust this like okay. This is mirror design. I'm just editing one side and I am getting two sides. Okay. If you take the within the 50 number colors, you cannot fill the all colors with one single click. That's why I took other color. Okay, that is 51 number color. Okay, now okay, now editing is completed. All corners and edges have joined. Okay, now uh, I reduce this design is 50 colors. You can see I am now going to fill the colors. If I take this bucket tool and just I took this 51 and just I am filling, you can see here this is the filling option. You see you cannot fill all colors at a time. Why? Because in this design we have 50 colors, multicolors. This is not solid color. This is so many colors are in this design. You can see, just zoom and you can see these pixels and different colors are there. So that's why you cannot fill the all the motif at one single click. For how we can fill that, you can see here in bucket tool we have options. When we give right click on this, you can see here active color, single, all, unprotected. Three options are there. When we fill this single portion, wherever the joint is there for that color, that will filling. Okay, now this is not our purpose. Okay, then we have all colors. See, if I fill this, wherever that number color is there, all the places the design that color is filling. This is not the right, okay, for our purpose. Then how we fill? You can see in the bucket option protect unprotected colors. First what have to do is click on this unprotected colors, then come to the color palette and just unprotected. It means these 50 colors are unprotected. Okay, what should be protected? This color, this which color I edited, this blue color have to be protected. How we can protect this? By pressing the shift key with mouse you can get the this color red. This means protected, this color is protected. And in this bucket option we can see unprotected colors. Now take this 51 number color and just fill on the motif wherever we draw that. You can see like this, you can fill easily with one single click. All colors have to be you filled with one single click. This option is very useful when you are editing in the Excel. Okay, this now you can what I told that one color is equal to one wave. This we draw the outline first and we join the all places and just we unprotect the colors and we protect this particular color 51 number and we just fill the color. That's all. This is the easy way to fill the colors in the texture. I think you enjoy this video. I think you understand the process of reducing colors and filling the colors. If you have any doubts, please make a comments and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.